Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to guided access enable on iPhone after iOS 18 update. Without wasting any time, let's start this video. Simply tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on accessibility, scroll up, tap on guided access. Guided access keeps the iPhone in a single app and allows you to control which features are available. To start guided access, triple click the side button in the app you want to use. Guided access toggle on and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds. And restarting your iPhone and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to guided access enable on iPhone is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.